Welcome back to What's in Your Skillet. Today we'll be making strawberry short brownies, a good take on strawberry shortcakes, except using brownies. Double chocolate brownies, that is. The process is fairly simple. We'll be starting with our cream cheese whipped cream. Be sure that your cream cheese is soft. It will make it so much easier for you when you blend it up. You're going to blend the strawberries with the cream cheese to make that filling first. Be sure to periodically scrape the sides to be sure that the cream cheese and the strawberries are blended well together. Be sure you follow the step of putting the bowl and beaters into the freezer while the cream cheese and strawberries are mixing. It will surely help for an easier and quicker whipping of the whipped cream. Once you have your whipped cream in the bowl, add in the powdered sugar and get to whipping. Once you have a nice whipped texture of the whipping cream, add in your strawberry cream cheese blend and again, whip it up. Add in your powdered sugar, and this is where it gets tricky. If you need more powdered sugar, definitely add some. You want to make sure you have stiff peaks, and then you'll know that your whipped cream is complete. Next is the chocolatey fun part. So you'll want to sift all of your dry ingredients together. It will help to be sure that everything is incorporated. This recipe works best with room temperature eggs and melted butter that has been cooled. Once everything's mixed, add in your chocolate chips, and you'll be ready to add to your baking pan. Another very important step, let your brownies cool. This will only help you in the long run. Once the brownies have cooled, you're now ready to plate. Whatever dish you have available, it's cute if you have a shape that you can cut it out to that size. If not, a simple square and some whipped cream will do its justice. I topped mine with chopped pistachios and fresh strawberries. Enjoy! And as always, subscribe for more recipes from What's in Your Skillet.